Welcome to this tutorial on creating Firebase email and password authentication using NextJS. In this video, I will guide you through the step-by-step process to set up Firebase authentication in your NextJS project. In previous part of this video, we made a working sign-up page successfully. If you want to see it, there is a link in description, you can go and check it. Now in this video, I am going to create a working login page. Just like in previous video, I will try to make this login page in a simple way. Don't forget to like and subscribe if my videos helps you. If this is first time of using Firebase SDK in your project, you need to install Firebase SDK. You can do that following like this. Type the following command and click enter. It may take some time to do that depending on your network. So let's start now. First I will run this app in localhost in my browser. It is loaded. This was done in last video. So first I will create a login page, login.jsx. So here I will copy the previous code and paste it here so that it saves time. I will rename sign up to login. Also function. I will change the ref from email ref to L email ref and L password ref. Also the button name. Now I will import the ref, use ref. I will also copy the ref code from previous page. And also I'll rename it as done. Next I will import auth from firebase.jsx. Now I will create a function of login. We should use E. We should never forget e.prevent default or the page will stay reloading and the login function doesn't work. Now for a login code I will go to documentation. This is the code we want. I will import first sign in with email password from Firebase. Okay. Next, I will copy the code, other code, sign in with email, and paste it here. We should define the email and password values by ref. I will copy this also to save the time. We should change email ref to email ref and password ref to password ref. Now I will use console.log for user. This will show all the details of current user in console, and this will alert when the login is successful. This alert message will show if there is any error like incorrect password, etc. So on. Now I will add another link in index.js for login page. Now we will run in Chrome and check it. I will add BR for vertical order. Now I will run in Chrome and check it. In this login, I will log in with the previous registered email in previous video. First I'll enter an incorrect password. It shows the incorrect error message. Now I'll enter correct password. It shows login successful. Means this method is working. In console, we used console.log. This is it. It shows all the information regarding to user. So this method is working. You can use it. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel if this video helps you. In next video I will show how to remove these links and just redirect to either home page or login or sign up page when there is no user. Thank you.